we are going to start a new chapter, that is whole and parts. So we will learn about the fraction. Now children, you are having your birthday cake of different shape nowadays now. Earlier you are having a circular cake. And what you are doing? You are dividing it into an equal part now to distribute it. Anyone can't take now whole part together. So we have to cut it. Or chapati sometimes you used to cut it. So this is the whole. This is the whole part. Okay, this is also whole part. And whole we can say 1. Whole means 1. Okay, this is also whole part 1 of your, it is a Cadbury's bar. Okay, and this is also whole part 1. What we are doing? We are dividing it into a equal part. You can divide into a equal part, or you can divide in a unequal part also. But here we are discussing about dividing into a equal part. For example, you have divided your cake into 4 equal parts. Okay? Your Cadbury's bar into 4 equal parts. And this also in 4 equal parts. And you have given 1 part to your friend. Okay? Here also you have given 1 part to your friend. Here also you have given only 1 part to your friend. So what do you say about this? It is the 1 part of 4 equal parts. What the part your friend has, what the part you have given to your friend? What you have given to your friend? 1 part. Out of how many equal parts? 4 equal parts. That only now. Here also you have given 1 part out of how many equal parts? Here is 4 equal parts. Here also same, 1 part out of 4 equal parts. So everywhere you can write like this. It is 1 by 4. It is also 1 by 4. And it is also 1 by 4. 1 part of 4 equal parts we can write as a 1/4. What we say? 1/4 or quarter we can say. Quarter we have given. 1/4 or quarter. Now today we will learn how to write fraction. That you understand now? Downside we are writing the equal number of parts. That is 4. And what is shaded, that I am writing upside. Same you have to be do also. You have to write 4 equal number of part downside and the shaded part, number of the shaded part upside. So it is the number of shaded part and it is equal number of part. Okay. It is the number of equal parts in which we have divided it. So the rule of writing fraction is like that. First we have to count, if any figure is given, you have to count part of the whole being taken. How many parts? Okay. That is 1 of the whole it is taken. Then how it is divided into how many equal parts? 4 equal parts. Both things you have to know. Okay, like that any picture is given to you. This is only one picture, triangular picture, and it is given to you. So first what you will do, and I have shaded this part. I have to write the fraction of the shaded part. Question is given to you. What you will do? First you will count the equal number of parts. How many equal number of parts is there? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. So number of equal part is number of equal part is 3. Okay. And then number of the shaded part you have to write here. Both you count. How many parts is shaded over here? Understood? So, for writing the fraction, we will write like this. Number of the shaded part we will write upside, then there will be the line, and in the down part of the fraction we will write the number of equal parts, that is 3. Understood? In the top what we are writing? The number of shaded part. Yes? And the down what we are writing? Number of equal parts. So you understood? And this is our fraction. This is only our fraction 1 by 3. And the top part, this fraction can be written in 2 parts. You can see. We can write the fraction in a 2 part. First is top and second is bottom. Okay. So top part is known as numerator. So this is known as numerator. And down part, bottom part, okay, D for down, D for denominator. Understood? So, bottom part is known as denominator. Top part is known as numerator, and bottom part, or we can say down part also, it will be easy for you to remember. D for down, D for denominator. So the down part is known as denominator. So in the fraction we are having 2 parts, numerator and denominator. Now children, this you know how to write the fraction now. Okay? Now if anyone will ask what is the numerator, you can write the answer now. What is the numerator in 1 by 3? So numerator is 1. What is the denominator? Denominator is 3. Separately you can write. If anyone will ask what is the numerator and what is the denominator of the fraction, you understood now? Now how to read the fraction? Okay, what we are reading, that only we are writing. So how to read the fraction and how to write in words. In the figure we know how to write. Now we will learn how to write in a words and how to read a fraction. For example, it is given here 1 by 3. So first we are saying 1 as a number only. In the top part, in the numerator, whatever will be the number is there, we will call like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this. Okay. And the denominator side number, okay, that we used to call as a ordinal number. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, okay, like this, 11th, 12th, so on. So here what we will read here? Simple numerator we will read like the 1 only, it is 1, so we will write 1, we will read 1. And downside denominator we will read as an ordinal number, so it is third now. So we will say 1/3. How to read it? It is 1/3. And what we are reading, that only we are writing, so to write on a word we can write 1/3 as a 1/3. So numerator we read as a number only 1, 2, 3, 4, and the denominator we will read as a ordinal number, first, second, third, fourth, fifth. Okay. So here it is 1/3. You understood till here? Now children, another name also here we are using is that what we can call it? 1/4. Topmost we will read 1 now, 1, or if it will be 2 then we will read 2, but here it is 1, so here it is 1/4, okay, but other name also we used to read 1/4 we can write as a quarter. Some more I am going to teach you. The another name of 1/4. Not 2/4, only for 1/4. 1/4 we can read as a 1/4. It is a number and it is the ordinal number, or we can give another name also. We can write it quarter. The another name of 1/4 is quarter. And 1/2 we used to call half. Or 1/2 you can say, or we can call generally we are calling it half only. Okay, 1/2 is known as half, because if you will see that if I will divide this into a two equal number of fraction, two equal number of part, and one part is shaded, then how many part is shaded? Half of the whole is shaded. So 1/2 is a half. So now you can write fraction. Okay, you can find what is you can write what is the numerator, what is the denominator, and you can write in a words also. Thank you, children.